15 seconds. Just 15 seconds, please. I have the... And I have is right here, I think is Luxurious Violet. So I'm gonna do in like a pink theme for springtimes. And have fun with that. Oh, I'm excited, looks good. If you have a big sponge, you can. If not, then you can use this for makeup. My thing is eyeshadow applicator. And I'm going to tap it first. And then I'm just fading it on the top, like toward to the cuticle. There's so many different ways for you to do the chrome ombre. Like sometimes I have the big sponge and I just doing it right on the free edges first, and then really gently touch buffing on the top to get it really nice effects of an ombre. So everybody have a different way, just one of the way I would like to share. Maybe a little bit more because we're gonna do some Weaver gels on this one. Get a little bit. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you can't, but because later we're gonna put the Weaver gels on, so great. I turn on the other side, which just doesn't have any pigment, and then I rub it. Great, I think I'm good. Close that, and I think it's Luxurious, Violet's Luxurious, I think it's a color. Weaver gels, I'm using a pure white, which is, I have it in using it regulars with me. And I have this all for cute tooths pick that I am going to use it. Give me 1 second. This one. You see me doing a lot of different videos, so this time we are going to do just fun designs. Simple to use, it's not take so much time. Oh. All right, so let's do, hey Instagram, thank you so much for tuning in. So pick up the Weaver gel. If you want to do it thin, then you pick up little and then let it really thin. I don't want it too thick. I want the strings to be thin look, but however, if you want to be a little bit thicker, you can. Just soft look for springtimes. Great. If I'm happy with this, just pop this guys in a lamp for about 60 seconds. All right. And if you want to do different colors, you want to do black color, silver, gold, it's up to you. Just really cool to do that, and it's really quick. You get a few stripes in like just a second. Hope everyone have a great Friday. I'm so excited to see everyone because today I have 4 different nails I am going to show with you within an hour. So then Instagram won't cut it off. So if you miss anything earlier, just tune in. Welcome in. If you're first time tuning in with Glitz Accessories and such, welcome in to our live stream tutorial. If you have any question during the time of live video, don't hesitate to ask, and then I will go through over the questions and answer everything, okay? So I am going to using like tiny mini little triangle. Just half a stuff there. Great. So I am going to add some really like have the look like my nails. Tribal, is that right?
Tribal art.
Tribal art. Condensed glue gel. If you are having a hard time to apply the crystal placements and your crystal always popping off, or you are nervous to doing it, you don't know what is gonna get the right one, it's gonna be a great, I think, oh, right here, I have it right down here. This condensed glue gel gonna be your bestie for crystal placements, and they are so, it is so thick density, so each time you're using it you don't need a whole lot, unless you're doing a 3D crystal placement, and you might feel it thick than normal, which is great because it holds your 3D, your flat back, your bigger stone, as well as the chains, charms, and all any accessory like big centerpiece. So I'm blending it nicely. It stayed nicely, and oops, it stick on my hand. Wipe off the brush. No wipe top coat on the top. This is a great technique, the 3 method, that it will keep not only your flat back, also 3D chain and charm stay in one place. This is purpose I apply a floating techniques of no wipe top coat on, so then when you finish, the crystal is gonna suck right into a condensed glue gel and a top coat, and you don't have to worry about anything is popping up. You know what? It's great because I want to put the cracks here for Easter, but also there are so many cute ones that have it like my nails. You can do it as well. I just want something it's like, it's really, this one is really cute for Easter. I want to put in here. I know it's way too early, but every time we do a different theme, and we did St. Patty, we did Mardi Gras this weekend, busy for Mardi Gras. People are going to New Orleans, and or down south in Pensacola and Mobile is a lot of going on. Tomorrow they have pray, tonight they have a prayer as well. So it's really fun down here. So I'm gonna put this one, but this time we're doing it for like have a theme of Easter or however you think. And can I get some SS3? Did you take my SS3 away? I think, sorry. I have it here, and we was organize it again. And so if you're happy with this, you don't have to do anything else, but I would like to add just some space with SS4 to just bring the nails out just a little bit. But you know, if you just want it simple and you don't want anything, I think it looks great. Looks super cute. I really like it. And then if you're happy with this, you'll pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Great. I'm adjusting it. Great. I like that. I like it from chrome to weaver gel to the little metal art on it, and also have a different metal art. Really cool one though. I want to show you this. I'm so freaking in love with this. I did have this, and look at the owl. I didn't have this on my, I didn't have this because I only have 10 fingernails. Like, each of them I have it different, I think. I don't know if I have the same one. They're all different. This one. So, thank you so much, Mary Kay Creation. Hey, ES now. Hello, I'm watching in Alabama. Great. Are you going to the pray? Hi, Anh Henry. Hi, Maria. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hi, Lily. Great. So now I am going to double secure this using the precision glue. It's one of the great Crystal Bestie. Close the cap, please. Is the other end is a brush. So if you want to apply the little teeny little crystals, you can using your brush as well. But on this side, I am going to check any edges of the crystal and charms, the metal arts right here, and I feel scratchy. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit. Each time you use, just don't use a lot, just a little bit go a long way. And if you feel like you are get a lot of them out, then you can just using a twin tip brush on the side of the detail brush and just blend them all out, and you should be completely fine. Can I get the brush, please? Pull it out, this one. Thank you. And just blend it like the same I'm blending it right now. So then that's why when you are popping the lamp, they are curing it. See, when it finishes, it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy at all. It just makes it look nice and flawless. Hopefully, Facebook, can you seeing it, Facebook? Good, okay. Hope everyone have a great day. Hey, Miss Corina, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Great. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds and these cute nails are completely done. Let's move on to the next one. I'm so excited because we have so many fun nails that we are going to share with you. Can you cap on? Make sure you don't do this red cap away because this will keep it nice and from clocking and spilling. Let me open this. So just in case you need to use it for the smaller beads or smaller crystals, you can use that a brush on the other end. Close the cap. So let's move on to the cute next one. This one we are going to do is